Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x is given as a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and f of x is 250, 500, 1000, 2000, and 4000. So they are both increasing. And the choices we have: A, it says if demonstrates exponential decay because a is greater than 0 and the 0 b is between 0 and 1. First of all, since they are both increasing, this is not decay, this is a growth. So we can go ahead and eliminate choice A. B says f demonstrates exponential growth because a is greater than 0 and the b is greater than 1. So it's a possibility. This might be the answer because it's a growth. And B, at this point, this kind of questions, actually, this is the format. B needs to be greater than 1. But I would like to show you an algebraic solution for it. At this point, we'll just skip choice B. C says f demonstrates exponential decay because a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 1. This is not a decay function. Therefore, we'll just eliminate the choice C. And the choice D says f demonstrates exponential growth because a is greater than 0 and b is between 0 and 1. So we're between, let's say, B and D, but obviously it's B, but I would like to show you an algebraic solution for us. So to do that, we will use this first data. F0 is equals to a times b to the power of 0, which is 250. So technically, a times 1, not b to the power of 0 is 1, right? So it's just 1, 250. So a is 250 technically. To find the value of b, I'm going to use the second data. F1, which is a times b to the power of 1, is given as 500. So we know the value of a, which is 250. 250 times b is 500. We will divide both sides by 250. b is 2. So in this case, b is greater than 1. So the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.